When spouses divorce, a court might order one spouse to pay the other alimony, also known as spousal support or spousal maintenance. Alimony consists of periodic payments for the recipient's financial support. In Peterson v. Peterson, we explore the impact of a recipient's remarriage on an alimony obligation. After 18 years of marriage, Gregory and Janey Peterson divorced. The divorce decree awarded Janey half of the marital property, effectuated in part by substantial cash payment to Janey to equalize the property distribution. The decree also required Gregory to pay Janey alimony of $1,000 per month for 7 years, then $500 per month for 10 years, unless during the 10 years Janey remarried or died, in which case the alimony obligation terminated. When Janey remarried just 2 years after the divorce, Gregory petitioned to terminate his alimony obligation. Janey contested, arguing that termination was improper because the divorce decree implied that remarriage within the first 7 years wouldn't impact alimony. Alternatively, she argued that the alimony wasn't subject to modification because it was a key part of the spouse's property settlement, or that her new husband's inability to financially support her was an extraordinary circumstance warranting ongoing support. The trial court terminated Gregory's alimony obligation, and Janey appealed to the South Dakota Supreme Court.